forecast with KOIN 6 Chief Meteorologist Bruce Sussman.
Okay, let's talk about what to expect tonight. And you can already guess it's going to be a warm evening, right? Because we're starting in the hot zone. I'd say we're down to about 83 at 7 o'clock. So temperatures change a little between now and then, but not much. So by 9 o'clock tonight, we should be cooling off to 77 degrees, which I hate to use the terms cooling off and 77 in the same sentence, but you know what I mean. And then 71 at 11 o'clock tonight for Portland, with 60s for outlying areas. So another classic and mild summer night here in the Northwest. Now, tomorrow we start at 63 degrees. I think we're mostly sunny out of the gate tomorrow, at least for most of us we are. A few clouds wandering in by lunchtime in 74, and the high clouds increase in the afternoon, a high temperature of 86 degrees in Portland. Outside right now, it is just gorgeous. We've got a few high clouds streaming in, but otherwise it's clear, and it's 84 degrees, a bit of a west breeze in Portland. Our highs today, 85 so far in the Rose City. Add a degree to each city in the I-5 corridor, Salem and Eugene, and then Medford. You got to add 7 degrees down there. Meanwhile, 80s and 90s east of the Cascades. Even Astoria, nice day today. You made it up to 72 degrees and got that sunshine, so that was nice. Very quiet around the Northwest. We had the patchy morning clouds. That is it. Still haven't seen any thunderstorms going. We're trying to get a couple started over I-84 as it crosses over the Blues, but otherwise it's very quiet. But then look at this. Haven't seen a scene like this in a long time, have we, on our satellite map? The good news is this thing is battling high pressure, which is over us right now, and that is going to, as this runs into the high pressure, it's going to weaken the system. I still believe, though, we're going to see an increase in clouds from it, and we'll probably notice that later tomorrow for inland areas, and then possible showers as we get our way into Thursday. Although those of you along the beaches, you could already see the shower chance tomorrow. So let's watch this together. It's our rain and cloud forecast, and we'll time this out. So 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're mostly sunny, right? It's really a very nice start tomorrow morning. Then as the day goes on, notice the high clouds starting to stream in, and they're not as thick as they appear here, but they're just kind of filtering the sunshine a little bit. And this is 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. Again, a slight chance of a few showers along the north coast, up into the Washington coast, the Olympic Peninsula, and then also, maybe the northern coast range is how I see it right now. Then we go through our overnight hours into Thursday morning, and notice the system hasn't really moved much. I mean, this is still kind of the high cloud area, high pressure battling back against the system as it tries to get to us. And then it looks like later in the day on Thursday, the system may have just enough of a push to get in here and bring us some brief showers before it moves out again. So tomorrow along the coast, it's a mostly cloudy day and possible showers there. We're going to be nice and warm or toasty again in the I-5 corridor. Some high clouds coming in as we go through the day. Central and eastern Oregon, another gorgeous and hotter day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. 80s through the gorge, and we'll be 74 up on Mount Hood. A mostly sunny day up on the mountain. In Portland here, we start at 61. We end up at 86 in the Rose City. And as far as the 7-day forecast goes, again, tomorrow just some high clouds wandering in. Thursday, it looks mostly cloudy with showers possible, but still on the mild side because we've got a lot of warm air, and until you bring in a storm that really pushes that ocean air inland, you don't cool off super fast. As far as what goes on Friday, well, maybe a leftover shower or two, but then a very pleasant weekend on the way, some morning clouds and afternoon sun.
Not a bad 7 days.
It's looking pretty good.
All right, thanks, Bruce.
All right.
Still to come now.